Hey, yeah, I got
Got
him.
one on the boat automatic fisherman thing. Little bluegill. We're out here trying to catch the bluegills, and I have our adapter for the boat cleat right here. It's real simple. Just a little setup just like this where you throw it on your boat cleat. That's all it is. Just drop that in there like this. Put that together. And you can be fishing with your automatic fisherman on a boat. Caught a couple fish on it now. Real easy to do. You just drop it right over the side of the boat. Now you can utilize all your lines that you want to use. And we're fishing again. Hopefully you can get another one. It's an automatic fisherman boat adapter kit. Thanks.